There was a time when Anderson was the next great hope at Manchester United.The Brazilian midfielder was an instant hit at Old Trafford. Brazilian midfielder Anderson joined Manchester United. He was just 19, but came with enough hope that his £20 million transfer fee looked like it would pay for itself in the coming years. Whilst it took him a long time to officially register a goal, going the entirety of his first year goalless, he did help the Red Devils to a famous double, scoring a penalty in the Champions League final. Will Anderson make our list of Manchester United flops? Despite 4 Premier League titles in all, he never reached his full potential and ended up more as an average nondescript central midfielder than the dynamic force that was expected, and he eventually left back to Brazil in 2015. But if he was hoping that life in his home country would be the boost he needed, then he was wrong. He was relegated with Internacional in 2016, then again with Curitiba the following year, whilst on loan, and now he's been released. Things are so bad for the 29-year-old that Internacional had never been relegated from the top tier in Brazil in their history until the former Porto man turned up and helped them on their way. Check out our tribute to Ronaldinho after his retirement. Still, at least he'll always have that night in Moscow.